Want to create advanced text animations like NIKOVAX? First, set up your composition using these settings and follow along with me. Start by creating your text layer. For this tutorial, I'm using the Lemon Milk font. You can download it from DaFont or just grab the link in the description below. Next, align your text to the exact center of the composition. Make sure your anchor point is also perfectly centered within the text layer. Now let's animate the text using tracking. You can copy my keyframe values here or experiment to create your own look. Adjust the value graph to match mine, and don't forget to enable motion blur. Duplicate the text layer. To keep things organized, rename your top layer to Stroke and the bottom layer to Fill. Select the Stroke layer and apply a drop shadow effect, copying my settings on the screen. Then select the Fill layer and apply a gradient ramp. Feel free to copy my exact gradient or create your own custom colors. To add some depth, draw a mask on the Fill layer. Follow my mask shape and adjust the feather values until you are satisfied with how it blends. Next, we will create a fading animation using the mask's opacity. Duplicate the Stroke layer animate the position keyframe its opacity from 100% down to 0%. Make sure your fade looks exactly like this. Now for the glowing outline. Create a new solid layer and apply Saber effect. Change the preset to Electric. Set glow intensity to 35%, glow spread to 0.03, and glow bias to 0.1. Under Customize Core, change the core type to Text Layer and select your Stroke layer. Set start size to 75%, end size to 0%, and core size offset to 75%. Under render settings, change the alpha mode to transparent. Make sure the saber color matches your text. Finally, animate the evolution from 0 to 180 degrees. Pre-compose the saber layer and rename it to Saber. Add an adjustment layer above it and apply the deep glow effect, copying my values. Draw a mask on this adjustment layer and animate its position as I'm doing here. Set the mask feather to 100. Copy this mask and paste it directly onto your saber layer. Select all of these layers, pre-compose them, and name this main text layer. Import a shockwave overlay into your timeline and apply the Uni-Unmult effect to remove the black background. Pre-compose the shockwave, then apply a transform effect to it. Turn off the visibility of this shockwave layer. Create a new adjustment layer. Apply a displacement map effect, and follow my settings on screen using the shockwave as the source. Select all layers, pre-compose them, and name it Base Layer. To finish up, add your secondary text and animate it to match mine. Apply a drop shadow. Next, create a shape layer and animate its position. Create a second shape layer and animate it exactly like this. Pre-compose your secondary text and shape layers. Add an adjustment layer with a fill effect, and paste your animated mask onto the shape layer to tie the whole composition together. And you're done. That's it for today. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and let me know in the comments what should I make next. See you in the next one.